everyone, my name is Christelle.
Hello everyone, my name is Adriana.
And today we will be doing a very special Christmas cake. It has a surprise inside it. Once we cut this cake, we're going to have a Christmas tree inside the cake. The tree is going to be green with a pistachio flavor, and the cake from the outside is going to be rose water. Okay, we're going to start by creaming the butter and sugar together. Once they are well incorporated, we're going to add the eggs one at a time. A dash of vanilla, a dash of salt. We now add the milk, mix them well, and we will finish off by adding the dry ingredients together, the flour, ground pistachio and the baking powder. Now it's time to add them to the cake, mix them well, and a drop of green food coloring. We're gonna pop it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. The second cake is very similar to the first, but instead of ground pistachio, we're gonna add almonds and rose water. I'll make sure to leave all the measurements in the description box below. This is a cake within a cake. We're gonna start with the green Christmas tree, which we'll half bake and then place in the center of the second cake, and that's it. It sounds confusing, but bear with me, it's really easy and the result is beautiful. For the frosting, I'm going to mix cream cheese with icing sugar, rose water and a bit of cream. We'll start by adding a little bit of sugar, of icing sugar. Time for my favorite part, for frosting and decorating. First, I'm going to frost the cake.